Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. This video is for the law of taught students. Friends, yesterday I have given a brief introduction regarding the Consumer Protection Act 2019. So actually, basing on the UNCITRAL model of law in 1986, Consumer Protection Act has come into existence. It was a small act having about 36 sections or so. But due to the change of time, and that too because of the technical development, there was a need for restructuring the act. Therefore, with so many sections, now the Consumer Protection Act 2019 has come into existence from August 7th, 2019. This is a big act, elaborate act containing 107 sections. I'm sure. Yes, 107 sections it is having. And basically, you must know who is a consumer. Suppose if you go and take tea, whenever I ask any student, what have you done? Sir, in this recess time, I have gone for tea. I took tea. But please remember, you have consumed tea because you have given money to that person and then you have emptied the so-called cup. Meru double petti. మీరు ఆ టీ తాగారు కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ కన్సంప్షన్ ఆర్ యు ఆర్ ఎ కన్జ్యూమర్. First of all, let us know the definition of a consumer according to section 2 clause 7 of the latest act. Consumer, so I will give a brief definition. Actually the definition is lengthy. Any person who purchases or who buys any goods for a consideration means maybe for payment or deferred payment. You may give the cash and purchase, or you may purchase it in installments or deferred payment. So any person who buys any goods for consideration, then for personal use, so and not for commercial use, he is called a consumer. A consumer is a person who purchases or who buys any goods for consideration. That means with bill consideration, so or for payment or deferred payment is called a consumer. Likewise, a person who hires the services, because Consumer Act deals with product and hires also, who hires services for cost and avails the same personal use, and he is a consumer. Please remember, it is not for commercial use. Consumer Protection Act will not come to the commercial purpose. Suppose if you go and purchase 10 computers for your office and something defect is there, so you cannot file a case under Consumer Protection Act. There are other avenues you can go and file. So this is briefly who is a consumer. So what are the act important salient points of the act? Please remember, actually this act included e-commerce in this definition of the consumer. Previously e-commerce was not there. Now e-commerce, that means like Amazon, e-commerce, Best Buy, so many platforms they are all coming into this purview. Second, enhancement of pecuniary jurisdiction. Pecuniary, that means amount. Previously in the district format Bengal, we have to file cases worth about 25 lakhs. Now it has been extended to 1 crore. So state commission 1 to 10 crores, national commission 10 crores and above. Like that, the pecuniary jurisdiction has been enhanced. And please remember, previously you have to file the complaint where the office is located or where the branch is located. Now you can file the case where you are located, where the complaint is located. So while dealing with sections 16, 17, 18 and 19 of the CPC, we will be telling you the suit can be filed where the defendant resides, where the cause of action takes place, but not where the plaintiff resides. Here it is an exception. Where the plaintiff resides also, you can file a case. Then the penalties. Previously they were penalties also, definitely they have been enhanced. When the section 35, I will tell you at the particular time. Then most important is there is provision for mediation also. So alternative dispute resolution, we have been knowing. What is alternative? Suppose instead of attending the court, instead of taking adjournments, all these things, you can better happily get the matter mediated with some elders and get it sorted out. Suppose you have got a quarrel, or you want to file a case against some Hero Honda showroom for not repairing your particular vehicle. Suppose if the mediation takes place, if the party is ready to repair the issue, then what more you want? So this is the benefit of mediation. Then e-filing. So right from or sitting before a computer, you can file the complaint. Previously, you have to go there and you have to file complaint, but it is not necessary. Simply, you can go and you can be at your house and file the complaint also. And there is a service desk also. Suppose if any person goes there and if he wants to file a case of consumer protection, normally you may not be able to know the procedure. There is a help desk. That man will tell you how to file the application. There is no pro forma, how to write the application. He will help you. That is the advantage. And lastly, I want to tell you, there is no necessity for an advocate in consumer firm. You can yourself argue the matter. So these are the important typical points to know the Consumer Protection Act. With this brief introduction, I am stopping. Tomorrow we'll discuss the rights of the consumers. Okay, thank you very much.